Hello everyone. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your dedicated channel for insightful explorations into the world of interior and exterior design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're talking about one of the most incredible ways to upgrade your backyard and outdoor living space, custom pergola designs. If you've ever dreamt of having a beautiful, shaded area to relax, entertain, or just enjoy the fresh air, then a pergola might be the perfect solution for you. But why settle for a generic kit when you can create something truly unique and tailored to your home? So, what exactly is a custom pergola design? A custom pergola isn't just a prefabricated structure you buy and assemble. It's a personalized architectural feature designed specifically for your space, style, and functional needs. This means you have full control over every detail, from the size and shape to the materials, color, and even the type of roof or shade you have. Whether you want it to be a cozy nook for reading, a stylish outdoor kitchen, or a chic poolside lounge, a custom pergola is designed from the ground up to fit your exact vision and complement your home's existing architecture. It's about creating a truly one-of-a-kind outdoor sanctuary. The benefits of having a custom pergola design are numerous and can drastically improve your quality of life at home. First and foremost, a pergola extends your living space, effectively giving you another room to enjoy. This new space provides much-needed shade, protecting you and your furniture from direct sunlight and making your outdoor area usable even on the hottest days. Beyond comfort, a custom pergola significantly increases your home's value and curb appeal. It's a highly desirable feature for potential buyers and an attractive focal point in any yard. Furthermore, pergolas offer incredible design flexibility. You can integrate them with outdoor kitchens, fire pits, or even a hot tub, making them the central hub of your outdoor activities. They also create a sense of definition and intimacy in an open yard, helping to break up large spaces and create dedicated zones for different uses. The personalized nature of a custom design ensures that the final product is not only beautiful but also perfectly suited to your lifestyle. Once you have your custom pergola, how do you decorate it to look absolutely stunning? The key is to treat it like any other room in your house. Start with comfortable and durable outdoor furniture that fits the scale of your pergola. Think about adding plush cushions, throw pillows, and blankets to make it inviting. Lighting is crucial for evening ambience. Consider string lights, lanterns, or even a chandelier for a touch of elegance. You can also add curtains or shades for privacy and additional sun protection, which also adds a soft, luxurious feel. Don't forget about greenery. Climbing vines like wisteria or clematis can grow up the posts and over the top, creating a living roof. Potted plants, hanging baskets, and a small herb garden can also bring life and color to the space. Finally, add personal touches like an outdoor rug, some decorative art, or a sound system to make it truly your own. Now, let's talk materials. What are the best options for your custom pergola design? First, wood. This is a classic and timeless choice. Options like cedar, redwood, or pressure-treated pine offer natural beauty and durability. They are highly customizable and can be stained or painted to match any aesthetic, from rustic to modern. Second, vinyl, a great low-maintenance option. Vinyl pergolas are resistant to rot, pests, and weathering. They come in various styles and colors, and while they can be more expensive up front, their long-term durability and lack of upkeep make them a smart investment. Third, fiberglass, the most durable and strong material. Fiberglass is lightweight but incredibly resilient. It won't warp, rot, or crack and is perfect for larger, more intricate designs. It's also easy to paint, giving you limitless color options. Fourth, aluminum, a fantastic choice for a sleek, modern look. Aluminum is rust-proof, lightweight, and very strong. It's also easy to maintain and can be powder-coated in a wide range of colors for a customized finish that won't fade. Fifth, steel, known for its industrial strength and clean lines. Steel is the go-to for contemporary and minimalist designs. It's extremely durable and can support heavier loads, making it suitable for complex structures or integrated features like built-in seating or fire pits. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the incredible custom pergola designs ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the pool deck lounger. Designed for ultimate relaxation, this pergola is a perfect addition to a sunny poolside deck. Its rich, dark wood stands out beautifully against the light-colored home and patio. The open slat roof provides a balance of sun and shade, ideal for lounging. Sheer white curtains on one side can be drawn for a touch of privacy and a breezy, resort-like feel. The space beneath is filled with comfortable chaise lounges and a small seating area, making it a dedicated spot for sunbathing, reading, or enjoying a cool drink. 2. The retractable shade solution. This custom pergola features a brilliant retractable canopy, offering the best of both worlds, full sun exposure when you want it and complete shade when you need it. The natural wood beams give the structure a warm and inviting feel that complements the home's exterior. The space is outfitted with a mix of vibrant red and orange cushions on wicker furniture, creating a lively and cheerful atmosphere. Large potted plants and the surrounding greenery blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors, creating a seamless and comfortable patio area. 3. The luxurious hideaway. This stunning pergola features a dark wooden structure and a unique, sliding louvered wall for dynamic privacy and shade control. Set on a pristine white marble patio by the pool, the dark wood provides a dramatic, contemporary look. The space is furnished with a chic, light-colored sectional and a coffee table, creating a sophisticated outdoor living room. The lush tropical greenery in the background makes this pergola feel like a secluded, high-end resort, offering a perfect blend of style and function. 4. The rustic round pavilion. This charming circular pergola, or rotunda, is a beautiful and unique focal point for a large backyard. Constructed from natural wood, the open-air design and curved roof structure create a whimsical and inviting space. The rotunda provides a shaded area for a built-in wooden picnic table, making it a perfect spot for outdoor meals and gatherings. The surrounding green lawn and evergreens give it a park-like feel, and the nearby swing set makes it a family-friendly haven. 5. The Tuscan-inspired retreat. This beautiful wooden pergola showcases a classic and warm aesthetic. The natural wood beams are complemented by a latticed roof, providing partial shade while still letting light filter through. The heavy, dark curtains can be pulled for privacy or to block the sun, creating a cozy, intimate space. The area beneath is furnished with comfortable wicker chairs and sofas, perfect for a gathering with family and friends. This design seamlessly connects the home to the outdoor space, making it feel like a natural extension of the house. 6. The modern poolside oasis. This design shows a sleek, black metal pergola with a louvered roof that creates a perfect poolside lounge area. The clean lines and dark color offer a striking contrast to the lush green landscaping and the bright pool water. Two built-in swings with comfortable cushions add a playful and relaxing element, making it an ideal spot to unwind. String lights and gas lanterns add a cozy, inviting ambience for evening gatherings, while the stone patio and privacy screen complete this luxurious and private retreat. 7. The modern rooftop retreat. This contemporary metal pergola on a rooftop deck is truly unique with its multicolored acrylic panels. These panels not only provide protection from the elements but also cast beautiful, vibrant light patterns on the seating area below. The sleek, dark frame and simple structure are perfect for a modern urban setting. The space is furnished with chic, woven outdoor furniture and potted plants, creating a stylish and functional outdoor escape high above the city. 8. The backyard barbecue hub. This modern pergola provides a dedicated outdoor entertainment zone. The dark, sleek frame contrasts beautifully with the lush green lawn. It shelters a contemporary outdoor kitchen with a large grill and a bar area with simple, stylish stools. A cozy seating area with a low-profile black sectional is also included, creating a perfect spot for conversation and relaxation. The green privacy wall and surrounding landscaping make the space feel both open and secluded, a perfect balance for any backyard. 9. The ultimate outdoor kitchen. This is the ultimate dream for anyone who loves to entertain. This impressive wooden pergola is custom-built to shelter a full-service outdoor kitchen and bar. The sturdy structure features a detailed slatted roof and integrated lighting, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The stone bar base and high-top seating make it a social hub, while the built-in grill and appliances make it fully functional. This design shows how a pergola can be more than just a shade structure, it can be the centerpiece of a complete outdoor living area. 10. The illuminated patio. This classic white pergola shows how lighting can be the star of the show. The clean, traditional lines of the white structure are enhanced by integrated, color-changing LED lights that line the beams, creating a stunning light show as the sun goes down. A central ceiling fan adds comfort, and the space below is set up with a fire pit and comfortable chairs, perfect for cool evenings. This design proves that even a traditional pergola can be given a modern, technological twist to create a truly unique and memorable atmosphere. As you can see, a custom pergola design can be so much more than just a simple structure. It's an opportunity to create a functional, beautiful, and personalized space that perfectly fits your home and your lifestyle. Whether you prefer the classic look of wood, the modern appeal of metal, or a combination of materials, the possibilities are endless. If you've been inspired by these designs and are now thinking about your own backyard transformation, remember to consider your space, your needs, and your personal style. A custom pergola is a fantastic investment that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. What's your favorite custom pergola design? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more amazing ideas to elevate your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.